So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure A quarter circle is given to us, in which this is the center, this is the A point and this is the B point, and PA is given as 1 centimeter, this PA is given as 1 centimeter, and this PB is given as root 2 centimeter. So we have to find the area of this quarter circle. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. So this is A point, this is B point, and I made the complete circle. So you can see that these are the end points of this quarter circle, and if you join this point to the center, this angle will be 90 degree, and the remaining outer angle will be 270 degree, we can say. So now this is the P point we have. So now there is a property, like if this angle is 270 degree, then this angle is half of that, that is 135 degrees. So this is the property. Now you see this figure, this is given as 1 centimeter and this is root 2 centimeter. This angle is 135. Let's say radius of the quarter circle is r, this is also r, and we join the A and B point, so we get this line. Now you see the triangle AOB. This is A, this is O, and this is B. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem because this angle is 90 degree. Like AB square is equal to R square plus R square. So then it is 2R square. And we can also apply cosine rule in the triangle APB. In the triangle APB, you can apply cosine rule. Like the AB square is equal to, like this AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. This AP square, this BP square minus 2 times AP, BP, and cos of angle this. So we are calling this angle as P, this whole angle. So now the AP is given as 1, so 1 square. This is root 2 square, which become 2. 2 times AP is given as 1, BP is root 2, and cos of angle P. So cos of 135 is minus of 1 by root 2. So this minus sign and this minus sign will become like plus, and this is 1 by root 2. So after simplifying, this will become like 5. So now you know the AB square, like AB square is 2R square and AB square is also 5. So you can equate both of these. So from here you can get the value of R square. Now you know the value of R square, and the area of the quarter circle is 1 by 4th of pi R square. So 1 by 4th of pi and R square value you know 5 by 2. So it will become like 5 pi by 8 centimeter square. So in this way we can solve this. So hope you like the video. We will meet in the next.